family, 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 family. So make the symbols become Schwa and disappear. Some native speakers merge talk family, 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 and common partner Schwa. Okay, shh. The stress before that. L, fair. Okay, R, at, comfortable. Turntable. Try. A, door. Re, re. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, planner. American. Family. Slippery. Slippery. Sport. Sport. Nanner. Americans. America. Family. Celebrate. Supporter. So don't stress every symbol identities and stress symbol and review the order you are direction with RPA to check where the sword is. Record yourself and compare with the native speaker. Okay, so thank you for watching, and so don't forget to like, subscribe, and sharing my video to your friend learning English too. Okay, bye.